Welcome to the program. Now, embattled pastor James Nganga has been released on a 1 million shilling bond with a surety of a similar amount at the Limuru court. Nganga, who is facing 3 charges related to a fatal crash involving a car alleged to be his, was set free this morning after spending 2 nights in the police cells. KTN's Timothy Otieno has been following the events at the Limuru court and now joins us live by way of phone. Timothy, if you could just tell us what was the basis of this particular decision by the senior magistrate.
Yes, Ian. But in addition to the 1 million shilling bond that Pastor Nganga has been released from, remember he is accused alongside 3 others. That happens to be Simon Kuria as well as 2 police constables who have also been released and or will be released on a bond of 100,000 Kenya shillings. But basically what the resident magistrate Timothy Tanchi was saying was that the prosecution did not give enough evidence, or rather not give sufficient evidence to prove otherwise that they would interfere with the investigation, and therefore he saw no need of having them in custody anymore, Ian.
Well, maybe, Timothy, if you can talk a bit about some of the charges that Pastor Nganga is facing. What do they include?
Oh, yes. Pastor Nganga is facing 4 charges, of course. One of them is driving recklessly, resulting in a death. Another charge that he's facing is the charge of providing false information to the police, as well as a conspiracy to defeat justice, Ian. But also another charge that Pastor Nganga is facing, of course, is failing to report an accident. Now, he's being charged for all those offences alongside the other 3 co-accused. But right now, he's going to be released on a bond of 1 million shillings, and that's what the court has determined, because they say there is no evidence to prove that he, alongside the 3, will interfere with the investigations for now, Ian.
If you're also able to tell us about the other people who James Nganga has been accused of, what do you know about them?
For Simon Kuria, Christopher Nzioka, as well as Patrick Baya, who are accused alongside Pastor Nganga, their defense lawyers, however, have taken the directive to release them on bond very positively. But remember yesterday, Ian, they had requested to release on 3 bonds. Simon Kuria's lawyer, as well as Patrick Bayer's attorney, was saying that their clients may not be in a financial position and may not have the financial capacity to pay the bond. Nonetheless, they have been issued with a 100,000 shillings bond. But as far as what is going on into the courts right now, because the proceedings are still ongoing, despite the fact that the magistrate has issued his directive, is that there is a need to this prosecution, Ian, in that there is a need, and this is has been floated by the prosecution, that there is a need to extract blood samples from Pastor Nganga so that they can be compared with blood samples from the car scene accident. But Ian, what is of the bone of contention, especially for the defense team that is led by Arthur Nyakundi and Cliff Ombeka, is that when their client is the first accused, Apostle Nganga, was taken into custody that evening, and when he went to check the inspection of the vehicle, he had no physical scars. He was not oozing blood out of his body in any part. So they are really skeptic about why the prosecution is requesting for blood samples from Pastor Nganga to be drawn out for the investigation. They're saying if samples are to be drawn, then first of all, it has to be done in the presence of a private doctor who should be hired by the defense. And so that is the debate going on right now inside court as to whether Pastor Nganga's blood samples can be used as evidence against him in this hearing, Ian.
Thank you very much, Timothy Otieno. We shall link up with you a bit later just to see what comes out of that particular hearing going on right now.